guys. So I made a composer song, and it's basically all the epic wubbox sound except the rare and common wubbox. Anyways, yeah. The color equals. Oh gosh, hold up. Sorry. The color equals like the song. Like for example, not for example. For real. Green equals plant. Blue, light blue equals cold. Brown or orange equals air. What else? Dark blue equals water. And lastly, red equals earth. So let's check it out. Good luck. Some are recognizable, some are not.
Bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. Should whoa should whoa 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 whoa.
And that's all. Did y'all can upvote it. It's literally just called Epic Wubbox. If we could get it to one of the top 50s, I don't know what I'm going to do. But just try to upload it at least. Yay! Anyways, bye. Thanks for watching and listening to some of the terrible and good ones. Bye. Booga, 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 booga.